What we have working today, we have some liver with some pop choy. Nice. Liver and pop choy. This is what wifey wants for dinner tonight. This is what's gonna be for dinner tonight. Let me try. Oh my god, this thing is amazing. Gotta top it up with a little bit of a little bit of all-purpose, different season mixed together. There we go. And nice. You don't want to lose the pop choy, so everything nice. Yeah, liver and pop choy for dinner tonight, with a little rice on the side and some salad and some avocado. Sweet. Because it's cold. You know when it's cold?
It looks like it don't look like beef liver.
But it's cut real thin.
That's what.
It's cut real thin. You have to put that with it. They cut it so real thin.
You still recording that?
No.
You think so?
Yeah.
No, you need this one. You need this one. The plastic. You don't take any to work tomorrow? Tomorrow? Okay.
Shit.
The men there quite hidden in the back of the fridge. I keep buying tomatoes and pepper tomatoes and they were there and I didn't know. That's me. Rich.
No. Yeah.
There's no something wrong. This is yours.